zombies. Today we're going to be attacking in the rain.
And why?
Well, because the plants, you know, they get warm in the rain. Today we have 2 new recruits, which is slingshot zombie. Hi. What do? I walk up and then I sling my slingshot at the plants. Yeah. Also, I'm homeless. And then we have zombie. Wait.
We literally seen you before.
Oh yeah. I wasn't really a new recruit. He's a new recruit. Yeah. Yeah. You've seen me before.
I'll go first.
Okay, so guys, but first off, Ernie, get back in your seat. Basically, we're gonna decide who comes up with a plan since it's raining and the plants are overpowered in the rain. So basically this time, Ernie, you're gonna come up with a plan. So what's your plan, Ernie?
I'm gonna try.
Oh, wait, speak louder.
I'm gonna try to I think that how about I just go in there to defeat the melon pool and then that's so that I can get the areas by defeating Bong Choy.
Good singer, Ernie. You get 1 gold star.
Okay.
Now go. Okay.
Oh my God, it's so muddy out here. Hey, what the? Ooh, hey, stop shooting it. Die. Seriously? I can kill the... My plan has failed. Why'd you do that? Dude, my back's all wet. I guess I'm dead. I'm dead.
Replanting. Mask, you go in there. All right.
Us too.
Oh, my mouth. No, my stupid mask. Wait, where's Cowboy and Dolphin? Ugh. Wait, there.
Kevin, remember that?
Hey, what was that sound? Oh, I do not feel very well. I gotta go back to the beginning. Okay, let's shoot ducks from above, guys. Ducks from above.
What's that?
Oh! Dolphin, what are you doing? Ow. No, I can't do this. Ow. Oh, not again. It's time for the wave of zombies.
What the heck? How are you not dead? Ow.
Charge. No, we're all dead. Oh, charge. Flexy. Nom.
Dude, my back's so...
Ew.
Dude, my back's so... I have so dirty. Can I take a bath?
Ow.
What? No.
Plow. On, Bulbamp. Stop skating. We need a route. Bulbamp.
Ow.
I gotta say, Super Red is going to come to save the day. Ow. Wait, where are all the other zombies today? My thing and go, get out of my way, you stupid. What did I do? I killed you. Get out of my way. I need my space. Go. Okay, if we're gonna. Oh. Bam. A beam. Wonder who's in your group. I don't know.